Welcome to Gov't, and we start off the top stories. The government is seeking to secure enough COVID-19 vaccines for some 30 million South Koreans, or around 60% of the population. Authorities anticipate this could lead to herd immunity, and the government is determined to thoroughly verify vaccine safety and effectiveness.
COVAX facility. This is a multilateral scheme to procure COVID-19 vaccines for even distribution across the world. South Korea has expressed intent to join the global mechanism, which is co-led by the World Health Organization, among others. Seoul will seek to acquire 20 million doses of vaccines that will be administered twice to 10 million people. It will need to make an advance payment of 70 billion won to COVAX by October 9th. Separately, Korea will also continue negotiations with overseas vaccine developers. Talks are currently underway with pharmaceutical firms such as AstraZeneca, Novavax, Johnson & Johnson and Moderna. Korea aims to secure another 40 million doses from these channels. The government says acquiring 20 million doses won't be difficult, as AstraZeneca, for instance, has pledged a supply enough for 10 million Koreans. But one government official noted that even if vaccines are developed, determining which ones are effective will be difficult. The official said the government will make a final decision on making advance purchases based on safety, efficacy and price competitiveness. If all goes to plan, vaccines enough for 30 million people will be obtained, accounting for 60% of the population, a level that qualifies for herd immunity. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency will also execute funds of around 170 billion won, the cost of signing a pre-purchase contract on vaccines.
아직은 백신의 안전성과 효과성은 물론 개발 성공 여부도 불확실해 무작정 투자하기엔 한계가 있습니다. 선제적이면서도 전략적인 접근이 필요합니다.
Meanwhile, the government will dip into the State Health Insurance Fund to support the cost of COVID-19 testing for hospitalized patients. This is a temporary measure that will continue while Level 2 social distancing remains in place. The government also says it currently has enough test kits available for 300,000 people.